Good morning. It's time for Precision Talk. I'm Marketing Manager Frank Olmstead with HTS Ag, and joining us, Technology Advisor Jay Robinson. Jay, how are we doing this morning?
We are doing good. Doing great,
Excellent,
Frank. How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Good.
I'm doing well. In fact, I'm not even here.
Oh.
I'm on RAGBRAI.
Yes, you are.
So
yes. I don't know how this is even happening right now.
It's mad.
How's the ride going?
It's I'm going to assume good.
We'll see what future Frank says.
We'll find out Monday.
Yes, we will.
We wanted to talk real briefly. There's still a little bit of time left in the Save Now Plant Later promotion. The $200 a row expires on July 31st. So that's just about a week away. And then it switches over to up to $150 per row. So the best discount is coming up this final week. So if you're on the fence or you're looking at that stuff, give us a call today and we can really get that ball rolling and help you.
And quotes are always free, and I'd be more than happy if you guys are just looking to see what it would take and what it would look like with the discount. I'd be happy to run that too. So please give us a call and we can look over what you got and what might work.
Absolutely. And then the Swap It Out, Step It Up promotion where you can trade in a Legacy Ag Leader monitor, anything but the compass. So if it was a touch screen, we can upgrade that and get you up to $1,200 off in Command Go 16 or $800 off in Command Go 10. And then also a Legacy steering upgrade as well. So that's up to $4,000 off. So
and on that, the Swap It Out, Step It Up, where we have the Legacy monitors that you can. I know it's difficult to say I don't want to get rid of my Integra. It's still working, it's still in the combine, it's still sprayed, whatever you're doing with it. If you have multiple monitors, this might be a great opportunity to at least start to merge as the firmware and those updates are going to stop on the old legacy things, even though they're still working now. It might be nice to get rid of one, move that to a vehicle, and then get at least an upgraded monitor. Just kind of maybe do a cycle on it too. So just so you're not stuck, buying a bunch at the same time.
Yeah, absolutely.
With the solar flares going on and all that. So this is my recommendation. It's a great opportunity to take some advantage to get some money knocked off the top.
Absolutely. And then, the in-command goes, those are going to be kind of the main platform that all the new technology is going to start to be formatted to. So,
and I'm glad you brought that up because I usually have that conversation when we talk about monitors or if I'm demoing one. The reason that they are wanting to push towards this new monitor is not just because, it's a new monitor and it's great and get you some money. It's beefed up as far as hardware goes. There's 2 different power over Ethernet ports. So the new stuff, the really cool stuff that Ag Leader is going to be dropping is going to need the actual physical hardware and the ports and things to plug into the screen. So it's actually a little bit more necessary than just, let's just do something new. So this is a great opportunity if you want to take advantage of the sure path, or the right path, with the strip till and things like that. You're going to have a go in order to do that. So now would be an awesome time to get it for less than what it costs.
Absolutely. And then the built-in modem in the back of the Go 16, so that removes a lot of the clutter in the cab as well. So lots of reasons to upgrade that monitor. And again, we can do that for you. That promotion goes all the way through August. So you've got some time left on that one, but we are danger close to August, which means we're danger close to harvest. And if your bins are empty, now would be the time to really consider an OPI grain management system. And Jay, tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, if you've got your 48s, your normal farm bins, if those are empty now and you're looking at what an OPI system can do and a quick hitter, moisture, temperature, we can see what's going on, not just on the top, not just a smell test, but down all the way to the bottom, all the way to the top. You can see where your levels are. You can make a choice. Something's getting hot, something's starting to rot. You can move it before you take a dock at the co-op.
Yeah.
With those shorter bins like that, having them empty, we can drop the cables down time to the bottom and you're done. If you have much taller ones, give us a call because those will be an outside. So there's some different caveats, but now would be the perfect time if it's empty or you're ready to empty it before you refill it. We can get that done, and it just makes the whole process a lot smoother and less trips out there.
So is there time though? Is there still time for guys to get that system ordered, get it in, and get it installed before they start filling?
And I'm sure Brandon would probably
he'd
like to smack me because they're all 3 on a bin right now. But yes, we do. We've got another tech had come on, so we have some time and we've got people we can get it done. So if you are thinking about it, again, quotes are always free, and I'm happy to run them just to narrow it down on how many cables, all that good stuff. So we can customize it how you need it. We have monitor only, so you don't have fan control, or we can do a fully automated with fan control. So the option's really yours. It's not a one size fits all on everybody's operation. So I'd love to talk to you about it and see what would be best.
Absolutely. So give us a buzz at 712-744-4468. You can find us on the web at htsag.com or find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, YouTube, all at HTS Ag. And hopefully next week I'll be back with the world's slowest crop scouting tour when I get back from RAGBRAI.
And maybe a little sore too, I suppose. That's a long way.
So. A little bit. It'll be standing next week when we do this. So again, give us a call, 712-744-4468. Thanks, Jay.
Thanks, Frank.